Want to show you some horrific motorcycle accident video involving the grandson of golfing legend Jack Nicklaus. It happened on a Tallahassee street back in May. That's Nick O'Leary, the starting tight end for Florida State's football team. He's thrown from his motorcycle after a car cut him off. He literally almost got launched into an oncoming bus, but incredibly, he walked away from that wreck with only minor injuries. I know, it's almost unbelievable.
Wow, look at what happens to the bike.
I know. It's sort of decimated.